Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and wait 1 minute to fully disable airbags and electronics before touching the door. Gather tools: Torx T20 and T25 drivers, a Phillips #2 screwdriver, and a flat plastic trim tool about 10 mm wide to avoid scratching. Have a small container or magnetic tray and label it to keep screws organized. Note the 3 main screw locations on most BMW 3 Series doors, so reinstalling is pop out the inner door handle trim with the 10 mm trim tool to expose a hidden Torx screw, then remove 2 visible Torx screws along the armrest and the single Phillips #2 screw beneath the armrest storage. Gently pry the lower door trim starting about 3.5 inches from the rear hinge to free approximately 10 push-in panel clips. Work from back to front to avoid snapping clips. When all fasteners are free, lift the door panel straight up to clear the top lip and remove it from the door frame. With the panel free, tilt it slightly toward you and support it while locating electrical connectors. Press each release tab and pull the window switch harness, mirror connector, and speaker plug straight out. Unclip the door latch cable by lifting its plastic retainer and sliding the cable connector away from the interior handle. Note cable routing. To reinstall, reverse the steps. Reconnect harnesses, seat the top lip, press the lower clips until they click, replace screws, and torque Torx fasteners snug, but avoid over-tightening to prevent stripping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.